I'm going to try and show you a little bit better what to do with this motor. And you have to prise back this pin here, another one here. Be gentle, because you want to reuse these. Okay, just dig in a little bit there. In fact, I have another little tool, might be better. Yeah, that's called a bradawl. Get your pin in there, your bradawl in there, and you push that back. Now, notice which way up this goes. There's a little slot there. Okay. Now, if you push the spline like this, you'll see that coming out. Yes. Now remember that this piece at the top, yes, goes into that cutout there. Do you see? Yeah. Now, what we have, you'll see these are called the terminals. Okay. And these make up part of the brushes. Now, the brushes are basically, these touch against the brushes, which are in here. Now, there are the brushes, okay, and those two little terminals go either side of those brushes, and this will spin like this. Okay, so this is the rotor. This part here is called the commutator, and then you'll have a magnet inside. Okay, and then you can see the green part there, that's the windings. Yeah, and so I'm not going to go into exactly how it works and everything, because I'll just bore you to death, but all the main thing together is called the rotor. Now you'll find, and I've just taken this off, this is the first time ever, you can see there's lots of dirt, lots and lots of dirt there. Now here, on this part here, the commutator, that's dirty. So you've got to clean that. So you use your isoprene, as I can't pronounce properly, isoprene, and you clean that, and you use your 800 grade glass paper to clean it all off and get it nice and clean. Now that is bent. I will attempt to straighten that out at some other time, but this is just to show you what you will find inside. Okay, now when you put this back together, yes, what you do, you get the commutators this way up, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Yes, push that back into there, so that when the terminals hit the commutator, you get a connection. Yeah, and as it spins, you get another connection. Now, if those connections there, this is your problem on all these motors. If these are not clean, this is not going to run. Simple as that. It's not going to run if these are not clean. And that is why I've taken this apart to show you. Okay, so when you've cleaned it, see, there you go. Got to be careful with this. Get your terminal over the top, so that it looks like that. Yes, commutator, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Put it in there, and then you can turn it, and then you can put this back in, remembering which way round it goes. Then turn your tabs back down again. okay, but you can see it's just dirt, and the majority of the time that's what stops things. Now, you will get motors that are green. Now, sometimes you'll get this with transistor radios or torches where people have left a battery and it's leaked and it's gone green. Now, in all cases, if this happens, household white vinegar. It's normal. This is actually cider vinegar. You get a cotton bud and you wipe it on, and like magic, that green comes off. And you do that with everything, with your household torch, your radio, whatever it is that takes a battery and usually has a spring on it. You'll find these terminals are gone green and you're thinking, oh, I'm going to have to throw that away. You don't need to. Household white vinegar, and just let it dry, you know, get the stuff off obviously and let it dry. So I should quite happily go around cleaning all this up, and I will have nice clean terminals. And that is my topical tip. Okay.